The world of trading can be alluring. Visions of financial freedom and flexible schedules dance in the minds of aspiring traders. However, the reality for many retail traders is far from glamorous. It's a world of constant struggle, marked by uncertainty and often crushing losses. The learning curve is steep, and the markets are unforgiving. Most retail traders enter the arena armed with little more than enthusiasm and a handful of online articles. They dip their toes into the vast ocean of trading, only to be tossed around by the waves of volatility. Without a clear strategy, sound risk management, and a deep understanding of market psychology, consistent profits seem like an elusive dream. The emotional rollercoaster of trading takes its toll. Fear and greed drive impulsive decisions, often leading to further losses. The lack of mentorship and a supportive community only amplifies the feeling of isolation. The dream of financial freedom begins to fade, replaced by the harsh reality of trading's unforgiving nature. My own trading journey was no different. I, too, experienced the frustrations and setbacks that plague so many retail traders. Countless hours were spent hunched over charts, desperately searching for patterns and indicators that would unlock the secrets of the market. Yet, despite my best efforts, consistent profits remained elusive. It was during this period of self-doubt and uncertainty that I realized the need for a different approach. I recognized the limitations of my self-taught methods and the importance of seeking guidance from those who had already achieved success. This realization marked a turning point in my trading career. I immersed myself in the wisdom of experienced traders, devouring books, attending seminars, and seeking out mentors who could guide me on my path. This shift in mindset, from solitary struggle to collaborative learning, proved to be transformative. Through my interactions with seasoned professionals, I began to understand the true secrets to consistent trading profits. It wasn't about finding the holy grail of indicators or predicting the market with pinpoint accuracy. Instead, it was about developing a robust trading system based on sound principles of risk management, market analysis, and trading psychology. I learned the importance of identifying high-probability trading setups, managing risk effectively, and controlling my emotions in the heat of the moment. Most importantly, I discovered the power of having a supportive community of like-minded individuals to share ideas, strategies, and provide encouragement along the way. The knowledge and skills I gained through this process proved to be invaluable. My trading performance improved dramatically, and I finally began to achieve the consistent profits that had eluded me for so long. It was this transformative experience that ignited my passion for sharing my knowledge and helping other retail traders overcome the challenges they face. Section 4. Your gateway to trading success. It is this desire to empower retail traders that led me to create a comprehensive trading course designed to provide aspiring traders with the tools, knowledge, and support they need to succeed. This course is the culmination of years of experience, research, and mentorship, all condensed into an accessible and actionable format. Our course is specifically tailored to address the common pitfalls that hold retail traders back. We delve deep into the intricacies of technical and fundamental analysis, equipping you with the skills to identify profitable trading opportunities. Our risk management module provides you with proven strategies to protect your capital and preserve your trading longevity. Section 5. Take charge of your trading destiny. We understand that trading is not just about numbers and charts, it's also a psychological game. That's why our course includes a dedicated module on trading psychology, helping you develop the discipline, patience, and emotional resilience needed to navigate the market successfully. You'll learn how to overcome fear and greed, manage your trading expectations, and make rational decisions even in high-pressure situations. But our support doesn't end there. Alongside the course, I will show you how to access powerful trading tools and real-time market data, the same kind professionals to make informed decisions. These resources will provide you with a competitive edge, allowing you to make well-informed trading decisions based on the most up-to-date information. Don't let the challenges of retail trading hold you back any longer. Take charge of your trading destiny and unlock your full potential with our comprehensive trading course. Start your transformation today and build the skills you need for constant, confident trading. No hype, just proven results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel IBF.